When we started the quilt company, we launched it to zero fanfare. Nobody cared. Nobody knew it existed. And we didn't know how to get orders. So we were like, we're trying to go to everywhere on the internet where we thought our customer might live. So we were on like Craigslist ads for quilting and trying to like send emails one by one to try and get customers. It was really hard. Well, anyway, we weren't doing so great but we were doing a daily deal every single day. We'd write the description, we'd put the image up, we'd do the whole thing, and nobody would buy it. One day we were supposed to put a deal up, a charm pack for $8.88 was our big idea. I screwed up and fat fingered it and missed an 8, so it went up for 88 cents. And it was the crazy 88 deal instead of the crazy $8.88 deal. And we sold 8 orders in that day. And it doesn't sound like a lot now, even saying it. I'm like, why do we get so excited about that? But we were literally jumping high fives and like doing an Irish jig in the office. Like, we got 8 sales, we got 8 sales. It was the best thing we could ever imagine. And that honestly, that like taught us how to work the daily deal and what it was gonna be. And that's how you've got the Quilter's Daily Deal today.